Hey guys, what's going on? So check out what I just designed. This right here is an origami fortune cookie. And yeah, and it looks pretty cool. And yeah, you can get like a piece of paper and you can write a fortune on it. You can like stick it in there if you want. And yeah, it's pretty cool looking. And alright, here goes. So for this model, I recommend using a 6-inch square of kami. And instead of magenta, I'm going to use peach because this is more of a fortune cookie color. So let's begin white side up and fold in half both ways. Try to make very precise folds and crease sharply. Okay, and fold in half the other way. And this model's easy too, so yeah. Okay, and now it's blends, so fold the 4 corners to the middle. Okay, and now what we're going to do is we're going to fold this corner up. And how much do you want to fold it up? Well, there's not really a guide mark. This is just to eye. So we're just going to estimate thirds. So just fold it so that this is equal to that. It doesn't need to be perfect. So you're just rounding it like this. We're making this sort of like an octagon shape. And do that with the remaining 3. So fold it up, just estimate thirds. So about like that. Oh, by the way, I want to say that this model, this is actually inspired by a video. This is inspired by an origami fortune cookie right here. I forgot what this channel is called, but here's that video if you want to check it out. But on that one, it's folded from a circular sheet of paper, and that's what inspired me to design it from a square. But yeah, check that video out too. That one's cool also. Okay. And do that 2 more times. Okay, so here we have our octagon, and now fold the octagon in half, like this, and then unfold and turn over, and fold in half like this. So we have a mountain and a valley. Okay, so now fold back on this crease right here. So make sure all these flaps are in the inside. And this is going to be the outside of the fortune cookie. So this is the hard step here. So what we're going to do is we're going to kind of form the fortune cookie shape. So we're going to hold these 2 edges together. And what we're going to do is we're going to take our index finger and we're going to just kind of indent it like this. See? So we're going to kind of dent it like that. So it becomes 3D. Alright? And then now at this point, just take your fingers and just kind of bring these 2 points together. Like this. And yeah, this is a challenging step, so. Well, this is the hardest step of the whole model, so. Yeah. Alright? And then just kind of shape it to taste. Like this. So here's the fortune cookie taking shape. And now just shape it to taste. And look, I'm gonna stick this edge inside. Stick one edge inside the other so it stays. Like this. And if it doesn't work, stick the other edge inside. See if that works. Alright, once did that, here is our fortune cookie. And yeah, it looks pretty cool. Looks like a fortune cookie. And yeah, you can put a fortune in there. You can put it either through here, or you can just kind of open it up and put your fortune in there, like that. But yeah, so there you have it. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed folding that. Hope you're able to. And make sure you subscribe, and let me know what you think. Alright, see you guys later.